Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are going to start from chapter number 5, that is factorization, HCF, LCM, simplification and square roots. Okay, this is the chapter belongs to algebra section and I am your math teacher Miss Falak Naz. So students, what we are going to learn today, we are going to start exercise number 5.1. Okay, we are going to start from exercise number 5.1. So far you have done a lot of question. Okay, so far you have done a lot of question. So now I'm going to explain it the more questions with the help of video. So please tell me, is the video clear or not? Is video clear or not? Hmm? Is it clear? Okay, now look at here. Exercise number 5.1. Here you have an example. And what is the question here? Find the factors of. Okay. What you have to find here, you have to find out the factors of. We can find the factors by the help of formula. Okay. There are multiple formulas that are going to apply here. And then with the help of find formula, you can find the factors. But first you have to check which formula are you going to apply here. Now, look at here. If we are going to apply the formula of a plus b whole square, if we are going to apply the formula of this one, so it's not possible, because if this is your term b, so 15 is not the square of anyone, right? So you are not going to find the factors here with the help of formula, but what we are going to do, we are going to break the middle term, this middle term. Now what is this middle term? This is basically minus 2a square. So first what you will do, you will write down the heading of solution here. Okay, you will write down the heading of solution here, and then you will copy down the question. What is your question? A4. Okay, A4 minus 2a square minus 15. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to break this middle term into two terms, into two factors. Okay, now first and the last term will remain same. So what you will do in the next step, simply this first term, that is a4 and minus 15, will remain same, and you have to break this 2a square into two terms. Okay, now how will you break it? Okay, the question is, how will you break it? You have to break it in such a way. Now look at here. What you will do, you will break it in such a way that how many terms are required? Two terms. Okay. So if you will add or subtract, your answer should be equals to minus 2a square. Okay. Minus 2a square. Your answer should be equals to minus 2a square. Means if you will add or subtract these two terms, so answer should be minus 2a square. Also, if you are going to multiply this, what you have here, coefficient here is 1. So 1 multiplied by 15 is 15, and obviously variable will also multiply, so answer will be what? 15a4. So when you are going to multiply these two terms, okay, these two terms, जो भी terms आप यहाँ पे identify करेंगे, when you are going to multiply these two terms, so answer should be equals to minus 15. Okay, 1 multiplied by 15, here you have minus, so minus 15a4. Okay, so what you are going to do here, first you are going to identify the factors, the numbers that you will multiply, so that your answer is minus 15a4. Okay, so what it will be, can anyone tell me? Means which number you are going to multiply so that your answer will be 15. Just suppose 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Also 15 multiplied by 3 is, sorry, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Right? So which numbers you are going to take? 5, 3 or 3, 5? Okay, we are going to do this one because our answer should be minus 15. So what we will do, we will take minus 5 and 3. Okay, if we are going to put it here, just suppose we are going to write minus 5 and plus 3. So minus plus minus, so 5 minus 3 will be 2. And the greater term is 5 here. So minus 5 has minus sign, so your answer will be minus 2. But a square is also required. So what you will take minus 5a square or plus 3a square. Okay, similarly the terms should be same, means agar aap unko add or subtract kare answer if it is equals to minus 2a square, so these terms should be equals to same. Here you are getting 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, but a4 is required here. So what you will do, you will also write here a square and a square. Okay, so n multiplied by a square multiplied by a square, so 2 plus 2 will be 4, so you will get 15a4. Understand? Please tell me, is it clear or not? Should I repeat again? Should I repeat again? Clear? Okay. Okay. Now look at here. What you will do now? What you will do? You will write here this one. Means you will write here minus 5a square plus 3a square. These terms. Okay, not this one. Okay. Now after that, what you will do, you will take common here. So in first two term, what is common? Can anyone tell me what is common? Here you have variable a, here you have variable a, right? Here you have 4 and here you have square. So always we will take the least power. So the least power of a here is square. So we will take a square as a common. And now what will be left inside the bracket? 2 are out and 2 a's will be left inside. Then minus 5 is not outside, the 5 will remain inside and a square is already outside. So simply you will write here a square minus 5. No, Bisma, a square minus 5, right? A square minus 5, right? Now what you have here, then plus sign. Now in these two terms, what is common? In these two terms, what is common? 3. Very good. 3 is common here. Not the variable is common here. That's why we are going to write a square inside the bracket. Okay. Now, plus minus will be minus. And 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15. Clear? Now, when after breaking them into middle terms and when you are going to take the common, so after that, these two terms should be equal. Okay, if you are getting here plus or here you are getting minus, so obviously you are doing something wrong. Okay, variables, constant, sign should be equal in both these terms. Is it clear? Now, after that, what you will do, you will take your common. Now, what is your common here? Okay, now here what you will do, you will write here a square, okay, a square minus 5 is common here, and next is a square plus 3. Okay, common, what you have common here, a square minus 5, so you will take a square minus 5 as a common term here. Now what will be left? A square plus 3, you will write it down in another bracket which is not. Okay, now this will be the answer. Okay, is it clear? Now move on to the next step. Here you also have to find out the factors. So how will you start? You will start with the heading of solution. Okay, you are going to start with the heading of solution. Now, what's your question here? Look at here. The question here is x raised to the power 6 minus 10 x cube plus 16. Okay, x cube 10x cube plus 16. Now what you have to do, you have to break this middle term, which is minus 10x square. So what does it mean? It means you are going to add or subtract any two values, so that your answer should be equals to minus 10x cube. Okay, add or subtract, it's up to you. We will decide whether we are going to add it or whether we are going to subtract it, what we are going to do here. Okay, so that the answer should be minus 10x cube. Also, those terms when you are going to multiply, so the answer should be equals to this one, the multi product of this one. Means if you are going to multiply x6 with 16, so the answer will be 16x6. Here we have plus, so we will require plus 16x6. Means when you are going to multiply these two values, so answer should be equals to 16x6. Okay, now here 16 can be break down into multiple factors. Just suppose 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, right? 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Right? So here we will get three factors. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. If we will write here 4 and 4, so 4 plus 4 is obviously not equals to minus 10. So we are not going to take this one. Okay, we are not going to take this one. Next we have 2 and 8 and 8 and 2. So what you will do? Hmm? Okay, so what we will take this one. Just suppose we are going to write here 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 will be equals to 10, but we required here minus. So what we will do, if we will take 8 minus, so minus plus, obviously minus, so 8 minus 2 will be 6, right? And we have to require 2 here, minus 10 here. So what we will do, we will write minus 8 and minus 2. Right? Now, next the symbol is x cube. So we will take minus 8x cube and minus 2x cube. Understand? Now, if we are going to multiply the same numbers, just suppose we are going to write here minus 8x cube, we are going to cross check it here. Okay, we are going to cross check here how, if we are going to multiply this minus 8x cube with minus 2x cube. So what will be the answer? 8 multiplied by 2 will be 16. Okay, minus minus will be plus, and x cube multiplied by x cube will be equals to x6, right? So it means we have picked the correct term. Understand? Now what we will write here, we will break the middle term into two factors. First term will remain 6. No, do not copy down in the copy. Do not copy it down in your copy. Just listen. This will be x6. Okay, now the first term is this one, which is minus 8x cube. This one, which is minus 2x cube. Then the last one, which is plus 16. Now in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to take common here. So please tell me, in the first two term, what is common? In first two term, what is common? Obviously, as you can see here, both the terms have variable, which is x. So obviously we will take x as a common variable, and the least power of x here is 3. So what we will take x cube as a common term. Okay, now after that, what will be left inside here? 3 is outside, so you will write here x cube minus 8. and x cube is already outside. So simply we will close the bracket here. Next here you have the sign of minus. Now in these two terms, what is common? In these two terms, what is common? 2. So what will be left here? X cube. Okay. Now we will multiply the sign here. Minus plus. Okay. Minus plus will be minus, and 2 multiplied by 8 will be 16. आ गए दोनों सेम ब्रैकेट्स, x cube minus 8 and x cube minus 8. Okay, is it clear? Now what is we have common here? In the next step we have common this x cube minus 8 as a common, and what will be left? This one, which is x cube minus 2. Okay, as you can see, should we stop here? No. Why? Because as you can see here you have x cube and 8. Okay, so 8 is the cube of what? 8 is the cube of what? Beta, 8 is the cube of what? Okay, okay, Ishal, okay, Fausia. So what we will do, you can also apply it the formula here. Just suppose what you will write here, simply you will write curly brackets x whole cube minus 2 whole cube, and that's it. And here you cannot take any cube here, so simply you will write here x cube minus 2. Now after this you will remember the formula. Now which formula? Look at here. A cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b. Okay, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Remember this formula, students? Do you remember this formula? Hmm? Right? So we are going to apply this formula here. So what we will take here x as a and 2 as b. Okay. Now, so this whole term is now equals to what? First we will write a minus b. So term a here is x. So you will write, instead of a, you will write here x, then the formulas minus sign, and term b here is 2. So instead of b you will write here 2 bracket close, right? After that you have to take the square of term a. So square of term a is x, so the square of term a will be x square, right? Plus AB. So A is X and B is 2. So instead of write here X2, you will write simply 2X. Okay, 2X. After that plus B square. Now you have to take the square of term B. Term B here is this 2. So the square of 2 will be what? Square of 2 will be what? 4. So simply you will write here 4. Okay, and then under your last term, which is x cube minus 2, right? So what you will do here, first you will break it into middle term. You will break the middle term in such a way that when you will multiply it, so you will get 16x6, and when you will subtract it or add it, so you will get minus 10x cube. Okay, after deciding it, what you will do, you will take the common here. Okay, after taking the common in this step, you will also take the common, which is x cube minus 8, and what will be left? X cube minus 2, right? Then here, as you can see, x cube minus 8. So x cube is the cube of x, and basically 8 is the cube of 2. Okay, so you will write it x whole cube minus 2 whole cube. So here you can apply the formula, which is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So you are going to apply this formula over this term, right? So A is x and B is 2. So A minus B, so you will simply write x minus 2. Then A square, so means you have to take the square of A, which is x square. Then AB, so simply you will write 2x here. And then you have to take the square of term B. Now term B here is this 2. So simply you will write the square of term B. The square of 2 will be 4. Okay. And then the last term, here you are not going to apply any formula, you will copy down as it is, which is x cube minus 2, right? Now please tell me, is it clear? This is your answer. Please tell me, is it clear? Okay, now class, one thing I'm going to tell you here, if you are going to face any difficulty in breaking the terms, now look at here, if you are going to face any difficulty in breaking these terms, what number you are going to use here, so you can also find out the factors of 16. Okay, what you will do in the second method, what you will do, you can also find out the factors of 16. Just suppose if I'm going to show you the factors of 16, what it will be: 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? सो क्या हो जाएगा आपके पास ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज 4 एंड 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज 4. नीचे से करेंगे 4 एंड 4, इसको प्लस करेंगे, सो आंसर ऑब्वियसली विल नॉट बी 10. सो व्हाट यू विल डू हियर, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 will become now 8, and 2 will be left here. So 8 plus 2, so obviously you will get 10 here. Okay, so this is another way to find out the factors, because we are going to use this method in the next question. Now look at here, what is your next question? This one. Okay, now first, how will you start? Simply you will write down the heading of solution here. Okay, then what is given to you here, here you have been provided with first term is x square and y4, middle term is minus 2xy square z square, and the last term is minus 96z4. Okay, first term and the last term will remain same, 96 minus 96z4. Now what you have to do, you have to break this middle term, that is minus 20x y square z square. Means, what does it mean? It means that when you are going to add any two values, so the answer should be equals to minus 20 x y square. I'm going to solve it on the next page, just a minute. Look at here, what does it mean? It means when you are going to break or add these two terms, so the answer should be equals to minus 20x y square z square. Okay, similarly, if you will multiply these two numbers, so answer should be equals to what? 96 को multiply कीजिए first term से, so 96 ones are minus 96, you will write here minus 96. Okay, then the variables which are x square, y4 and z4, what you will do, you will multiply these two terms. Okay, so what you will get, x square y4 and x square y4 and z4. Now look at here, you have to multiply, you have to identify any two terms so that your answer should be equals to this one. Okay, you have to identify two one. Now 96 is a bigger number, so here you will break it down into factors. Now look at here, how will you break it down into factors? 2 into 4 is 8, 1 will be left, 2 into 8 is 16. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 6, 2 into 3, and 3 into 1. Now, you will multiply the factors and then add it in such a way that your answer should be equals to 96. So please tell me how will you do it. Just suppose if I am going to do it in this way, it means 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 will be, obviously answer is not equals to 20 or 96. So what you will do, students, please tell me. Hmm? Which two terms? Which two terms, Fatma? No, how? 3, 2, 2. Okay, if we are going to start from 3, 2, and 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Hmm? If 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 2, and 4 multiplied by 2. So 12 multiplied by 4, is it 96? Hmm? Is it 96? No. Now we will take 4 terms here. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, and 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. So 24 multiplied by 4 will be 96 or not? Hmm? 24 multiplied by 4 will be 96, right? Now listen again. If you will make the pairs, just suppose if you'll do 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4, 4, and 6. So if you will multiply these two terms, so obviously answer will be 9. 3 factors तो हम ले भी नहीं सकते. Okay, 2 लेंगे. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 12. 8 अभी नहीं होगा आपके पास. So what you will do here, simply you will take starting 4 terms, like 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 12 multiplied by 2 will be 24, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So what you will write here, 24 and 4. Now you required minus sign. What you required? Minus sign. So you will take here minus 24 and 4. So it will be minus 26. So now you are going to write here minus 24 plus 4. So minus plus will be minus. So you will get here minus 20. Okay. 20, minus plus minus. So 24 minus 4 will be 20, and 24 is greater. So you will write here minus sign. Now, next is variables. How will you decide your variables? Obviously, variables will remain same. So you will write here x, y square, z square, x, y square, z square. And same variables will be here x, y square, z square, x, y square, z square. So x multiplied by x will be x square, y square multiplied by y square will be y4, and z square multiplied by z square will be z4. Okay, so what are our two terms? This one minus 24 x square y x y square z square plus 4 x y square z square. Okay, now look at here. First term is this one, which is minus 24 x y square z square. Next is this one, plus 4xy square z square, right? Now in the next step, what you will do, you will take the common here. Now what will be common here? Obviously common, first common variable here in these two terms is x, and the least power of x is this one, x1. So we will take x out. Y is also common, but the least power of y here is y square, so you will take y square out, y square as a common. And obviously 24 and z is not common here. Now what will be left here? What will be left here? Hmm? What will be left here? Yes, x, y, 4 minus 24. X is already outside, y square is already square, 24 z square. Right? Now the sign of plus. Now, coefficient. Which coefficient is common? We have decided now 4 multiplied by 24 is 94. So 4, x is not common, y square is also not common, but z is common. And which one? This one. Z is square. Okay. Now what will be left inside this one? This x, y square plus minus will be minus, and obviously 4 multiplied by 24 will be 96. So what you will write here? Only z 4. Now as you can see here, both are same, this one and this one, so you will take them as a common. X y4 minus 24 z square, and then the next one, which is x y square plus 4z square. You cannot solve it further because you cannot simply take the square or cube of anyone, so it will be your answer. Understand? 4. This is a square, right? This is a square. Typing error. Clear? Okay, now open your copies and write down index. Okay, I'm talking to you, the students of group A. So we have done all these questions. Now I'm talking to students of group A. Kindly write down index in algebra copy and attempt exercise number 5.1, question number 27. Students of group B already done this work, so please do not write it down again. Just a minute. Now kindly write down the index, everyone. Group B, please do not attempt this work. Okay, now start your work and please turn your videos on, everyone. No. Group B, please do not do this work. Group A, you have to do this work in your copy and please turn your videos on, everyone. Also, please, students of group A, please listen to me very carefully. The questions that I'm going to give you in today's homework, you have to do that questions again. Okay, not the classwork, but the questions again. The homework, you have to do it again. Okay, I know some questions will be repeating in the assignment, so please copy it down. Meraj Hussain, what you are doing here? Meraj Hussain. Meraj Hussain. Okay, then solve it, then show your answer to me. Okay, Abdul Rahman. Okay, I'm going to stop share it and check your answers. Who is this? Ishak. Ishak, kindly do the rough work as well. Do the rough work as well. Okay, students, so this is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, if you want to ask anything, do you have any questions? So please write it down in the chat box.